No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
My suitcase is still unpacked, my room is a mess, there is stuff everywhere. Sometimes we just need a reset day just to get our lives back together. Raise your hand if you can relate to that.
Excuse me, Bella. Honestly, I've been kind of under the weather lately. I've just not been feeling the best.
So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my reset routine, how I get my life back together, different life hacks that I actually use and I think everyone should know.
A lot of you guys have been asking me, who is the giveaway winner for the back to school giveaway? Well, I'm really excited to finally share with you the winner because I didn't forget. So congratulations to, drumroll please. Congratulations, I really hope you enjoyed the back to school supplies. Don't worry if you didn't win, I always do giveaways here on my YouTube channel.
So if you guys want me to share more routine videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe to join my YouTube squad. Without further ado, let's get started. Right away when I come home after traveling or vacation, I like to write down in a notepad everything I need to do. That way I create a list of all my tasks so I could tackle them and get them all complete. Okay guys, I am literally so embarrassed right now by how messy my room is. I have not cleaned it in just 2 days. So I asked you guys on Instagram, do you think I should clean my room or not? And 86% of you said yes, so here we go.
You got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote.
I'm not trying to be over dramatic, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who feels super overwhelmed after traveling. So, ooh, gotta wash the smelly clothes. Ooh, I definitely need to wash this. Now that our laundry is all nice and clean, just kidding, it's still dirty. Now it's time to wipe our luggage and to make sure that that baby is nice and clean for our next trip. So let's go. Taking a moist cloth or an old t-shirt, we're just going to wipe this down. Now it's all nice and clean. Now that I'm home, I always make sure to refill my toiletry bag just so I have all of my essentials for my next coming trip. In here I have an eye mask because whenever I'm on the airplane, I like to apply an eye mask underneath my eyes so it depuffs everything. Can't forget your tampons. Refill on your favorite tea bags or instant coffee. I cannot live without my hand lotion or hand cream. My hand gets super dry whenever I travel. You can't forget your breath mints. You want to stay nice and minty fresh. Last but not least, if you forgot your toothbrush, be sure to put in a new one in here. So don't forget to replace any used up toiletries in your toiletry bag. Have you guys ever found that you get acne around your chin area, on the side of your cheek, or just near your ear? Well, that's probably because your tech items are kind of dirty. So whenever I return home from traveling, I like to wipe down my tech devices with some hand sanitizer. I'll take about a pump or two of this onto a nice soft cloth. That way I don't break out and my skin is feeling nice and fresh. And I also like to wipe down my vlog camera. Sometimes it gets a little bit smudged on the back. Honestly, don't know any other dog who would be willing to be held like this and cradled like a baby. I feel like everybody needs a massage after they travel just to get nice and relaxed and back into the zone of things. And definitely love some puppy therapy, just hanging out with my dog, giving her cuddles, massages, and belly rubs. She just seems to enjoy it a lot, and so do I. Having a pet makes everything so much better. Comment down below and let me know, what is your reset routine? What do you do to get your life back together? Because your girl needs some tips, and I would love for you guys to share and talk about it in the comments down below.
I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think about my vlog camera? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? How's the sound? I rarely vlog because I'm not sure how I feel about this camera yet. Let me know down below in the comments.
And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My username is Fashion by Ali. I love sharing travel inspiration, outfit ideas, and more of that good stuff over there. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!